How do you write emails that people want to open and act upon? That is, become your lifelong customers. When you master that, your business will skyrocket. Here are expert tips for beginners to take your email marketing game to the next level. We'll share the latest trends and strategies to make you succeed. We'll cover everything from how to win the click to craft the content of your message that resonates deeply with your audience and leaves them wanting more. And at the end of this video, we'll share the most important aspects of your email marketing and the fatal mistakes that you must avoid. You don't want to miss that. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor, here to help you create the business and life you deserve. So make sure to hit subscribe and the bell to make sure you don't miss out on everything online business. And we'll link another video in this description that will take you through the steps to set up your sales funnel and your email marketing system if you haven't done that already yet, okay? So how do you write compelling emails that people will desire to open? We'll talk about content and structure. We'll talk about the subject lines. We'll talk about the value you provide and the call to action that you ask them to take. And like I said at the end, the fatal mistakes that you definitely want to avoid. Hey, by the way, when did you write your first email ever? I mean, do you remember your first email ever? Put it in the comments. First of all, emails are not read, they're typically skimmed. So how do you make your emails skimmable? Keep a conversational tone and talk to your reader like a friend. Be friendly, chatty, and positive. Make it a one-to-one conversation. Use short paragraphs, like maximum 3 sentences per paragraph. And you can bold key phrases. Also use bullet lists and numbered lists to make your email comprehensible. And expert tip, emojis, GIFs, images and videos really draw attention, and they also give the reader an easy way to comprehend the message or the value that your email will provide. So make sure to use them. Hey, smash like if this is giving you value, it's much appreciated, thank you. Hey, make sure your emails deliver huge value. That's the core point of your emails. And you do this by asking yourself, how will my email change the life of my customer avatar? Yeah, it's on that level. So write for your audience desire, your customer avatar desire. What does he or she want? What kind of transformation is he or she looking for in their lives? Number 3 is call to action. Always give your reader a simple way to move forward from reading your email. Tell them what to do. By telling them what to do, you'll assure them that that's the right action to take. Maybe it's clicking to opt in, clicking to watch, or clicking to place an order. Hey, if you want to learn more about email marketing and calls to action and really dig deep down into it, we've got that training on our website. So check it out on malinlindbom.com. So number 4 is the most important part of your email marketing, and that is crafting your subject line. So the way you win in email marketing is that you win the click. You want your audience to click the email and read it. So here are several proven types of subject lines, and the best one is of course at the end. So you can use a numbered list subject line like 4 mistakes beginners tend to do in email marketing, or you can use a curiosity line like the best way to write an email subject line. Or you can use a quick fix line, which would be, for example, learn the secrets to email marketing in just 5 minutes. Or you can name drop, like borrow influence from someone else. For example, how Kelly Stamps uses affiliate marketing in her videos. Or you can use the exclusivity offer like private invite, insider tips, you're invited, exclusive offer. Or you can ask compelling questions, because people have a natural drawn tendency to questions. Like, for example, have you ever wondered what makes people click? And the final proven one in research to be the most popular at this point in history is the one where you place video : first, and then you use one of the above. Like, for example, video : learn the secrets to email marketing in just 5 minutes. Because people are naturally drawn to video, so if you're making video, you have an advantage. And now for the fatal mistakes that people tend to make and that will get your emails into spam filters and potentially never read, and your future emails also potentially ending up in spam filters as well. You don't want that. This is the most important aspect of your marketing in your business. All right, So here are two fatal mistakes: using caps in your subject line and using exclamation marks in your subject line. So I wrote my first email back in 1997, and it was actually not an email, it was a memo, when I started at a big telecom company, my very first job after university. That's when I wrote my first email, 1997. How about you? Next, watch this video about how to set up your funnel, your sales funnel, and your email marketing system. If you haven't done that yet, click it, watch it, and I'll see you there.